In this video, I will show you how to install ALPS on a Windows machine with WSL. So to get started, we're going to want to open up WSL in PowerShell. So just go to PowerShell and then type in WSL. And then the first thing we're going to want to do is ensure that we have the latest version of Linux. So to do that, we will use the sudo apt-get update command. And it'll prompt us for a password. Alright, once that's done, we are just going to make a folder named ALPS that we can install everything into. And then go ahead and enter that folder. The next step will be to install pip. We will use sudo apt install python 3-pip to do so. Now we will want to install VNV so that we can run Python in a virtual environment. To do this, we will type in sudo apt install python 3-vnv. Now we will want to create a virtual environment in the ALPS folder. To do this, we are going to use the command python 3-m vnv alps_vnv. Now that that's done, we are going to want to activate the virtual environment. So we will use source alps_vnv /bin/activate, and that will actually put us in the virtual environment. Now we can install the pyalps package with pip install pyalps, and we will also install matplotlib and Jupyter with the same pip install command. Once those packages have been installed, we have installed pyalps.